Hey guys, people love to see videos of transformation of properties. They love to see the before pictures to the after pictures of property. Why? I think it's just our nature of we want to see something go from old to new. So in today's little video, I got a special treat for you. I'm gonna show you two types of property. One property I see that's been getting a lot of headway online when it comes to the transformation of a fruit and my own personal property, which is Ghostbuster. I'm gonna show you the start, the end of the transformation of this property that we bought for about $70,000 and sold it for $245. But first, let's get into this first quick little video. Let's take a look at this strawberry. 2-minute video of a strawberry being transformed from old to new. Wow, that's crazy. That's the transformation from something that looks horrible to something that looks beautiful now. That's in our world of real estate. That's what we do every single day. We go out there and take properties, take them from a horrible state to a beautiful state. Now, even though this is a animation mainly from a strawberry, from the roughest situation to the best situation, but now let me show you my personal property, real numbers, a real property from A to Z. From A to Z, people. This house went from totally trash out house, overgrown hoarder house to a beautiful masterpiece. Let's take a look at it. Wow, there you go. That property actually took us about 2 months to complete. There was a lot of work going on with this house. This house was in really bad shape, and and I'm telling you, from the foundation to the roof to adding a third bathroom inside that bathroom where the guy was working on the second to last. That was the third bathroom we added inside this property. So it was a lot of work. So the way she looked now is like day and night. And we sold this house. We gave it to an end buyer, and they're happy and we're proud of it. This is the this is the road that you're on when it comes to transformation of houses from before and after. So you guys able to see it. So in this game of real estate, guys, you want to do this business to the upper echelon of real estate, then you're going to have to take it from the ugly state and turn it into a most beautiful state, you know. So you got to have put the effort in. So these videos here is a pyramid to that, and you guys are seeing this firsthand on how a house can go from A to Z. You guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel here. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment here. You got any questions on flipping the houses from A to Z, just let me know here in the comment section, and definitely like the video. We want to share this video with as many people as possible. Just know Poppa Home is here to transfer all these neighborhoods into beautiful places. Let's do deals.